Hello and welcome to the Officers Academy. So our today's lecture is on newspaper reading techniques. So we know that apart from the subjects of GS, we also have to focus on current affairs. अगर हम लास्ट 3 साल के पेपर्स देखेंगे यूपीएससी के पेपर्स लास्ट 3 years, so we see that the weightage of current affairs is continuously increasing in the prelims examination. Okay, so from where do we tap current affairs? So we have to study current affairs, important news from this newspaper, that is The Hindu newspaper, as well as certain current affairs magazines, okay, and also from the internet. But I will exactly tell you which are the websites that you have to tap for studying current affairs. So we will begin our first part from how to read this newspaper, The Hindu newspaper, in 60 minutes. Now to proceed with, see, we need to know that those candidates who are finding it difficult, because the language of the Hindu newspaper is a little difficult. So if you are finding it difficult initially, you can get started with Indian Express. Indian Express is also a good newspaper. Try to avoid other newspapers for civil services, at least at the beginner level. So go ahead with the standards, that is the Hindu newspaper or Indian Express. Now what happens generally is when we start newspaper reading, now initially in the early days when we are not acquainted with good new terms, like for example terms like CAG, terms like inflation, skewflation, when these terms comes in newspaper, so it takes a lot of time. Why does it take a lot of time? Is because we are not well acquainted with these terms. So जैसे आपका GS का syllabus आगे बढ़ते जाएगा, newspaper reading will start making sense. But does it mean that we need not have to read newspapers? No, you have to start reading newspaper from the very beginning. Initially you will take time, आपको इसमें समय लगेगा, but लगने दीजिए. That is how the habit develops. That is how you will learn to filter the data. So what is our aim today? Our aim today is try to complete the newspaper, making micro notes of it in 60 minutes. Now how is it possible? Initially जब भी हम newspaper पढ़ते हैं, The Hindu or Indian Express, so we try to take more than 1.5 hours, okay, or at times we require 2 hours. तो कैसे 60 minutes में पेपर पढ़ के कैसे कंप्लीट होगा? It is only when you know what exactly to read. Okay. Now what to read, more important is what to skip. तो जब तक आपको ये नहीं पता what exactly to read from the Hindu newspaper and what exactly is to be skipped, तब तक newspaper reading will take you time. So today we will try to learn how to complete it in 60 minutes. Okay. So first let's try to see what we are supposed to read and what not to read. Okay, so this section of what to read and what not to read is more important. So we will try to focus on that part first. तो पहले देखते हैं what not to read, which are the news that we have to skip from newspaper. Let us try to understand it. First, news which are related purely to your city. So suppose if you are staying in Mumbai, now there is a mega block today or there is no mega block, about the water supply in certain regions. So these are city specific or locality specific news which happens day to day or which happens on every weekly basis. So such news, you can read this for your own information. That is a different story, but do not expect a question on this in the examination. Okay. So city related news, we have to skip it. Very minor news related to the state. So again we have to skip it because we have to understand that UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, it is a all India level examinations. Okay, so it will not focus on any particular state excessively unless the state comes out with something extraordinary. What is that extraordinary? We will try to see that also. Next is you have to avoid news related to crime. So news related to underworlds, murders, other petty robberies, etc., petty witness stories. So these are the news which are to be avoided. Next, news related to Bollywood or all such stuff, that is to be skipped for the examination. And lastly, news related to horoscope. Now just in writer mean, many of the candidates they also see the horoscope every day. Point is you keep on wasting more time in this. Okay? Rather than reading the horoscope, try to define your own destiny by studying very hard. So these are some news. Yeah, of course, last one in the economics section about the ups and downs of share market. Okay, so these are some areas. Unless you have invested in shares, you can monitor it. Otherwise, from exam point of view, these are the news which are not very important. Now, which are the news that we have to study, that we have to focus on? Let us try to see that. First is news related to certain states if they have any kind of a extraordinary achievement. Okay, what is this extraordinary achievement? Let us try to understand. Now the state of Chhattisgarh, it had come up with a model of PDS, public distribution system. Okay, now this example, now it was so beautifully executed that this same model was to be replicated at the national level. Okay, so we see such extraordinary achievements by the state where the entire country, the union government, tries to take lessons from the best practices of state government. तो अगर ऐसा कोई न्यूज आ रहा है विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू स्टेट, देन यू हैव टू स्टडी इट और नोट इट डाउन. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एरिया इज वी हैव टू रीड अबाउट national news. Okay, so any new law which has been passed by the government, we'll go into the details of it. Okay, any new law which has been passed by the government, any judgments given by the Supreme Court, any new government scheme which is coming in, so these are to be tapped in the national news. Third important area that we have to study is इंटरनेशनल न्यूज, इंटरनेशनल हैपनिंग्स. ठीक है, देखिए ये सारे ऑल दीज आर पेजेस इन योर न्यूज़पेपर. सो इफ यू टैप द टॉप लेफ्ट कॉर्नर ऑफ द न्यूज़पेपर, यू कैन मार्क द स्टेट, नेशन, इंटरनेशनल और वर्ल्ड, इट विल बी मेंशन. ठीक है, क्लियर. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू फोकस न्यूज ऑफ साइंस एंड technology. Okay, I will go into the further depth of it. What exactly is to be studied in science and technology, we will see that also. But then we have to go on science and technology. After that, news related to environment. Now focus on this environment and ecology. It has the current affairs part of it. It has become a very important area in UPSC and many of the state PSCs like MPSC examination. So focus is shifting on the current affairs part, science and technology and environment. Next important section that we have to study is economics. News related to the Indian economy as well as the global economy. And lastly, but not to be ignored, that is reading the editorials. Okay, what are these editorials? Now there is a separate page of editorials. What are the editorials? Which editorials are to be read? Which editorials are to be skipped? We will see that. Okay, so on a broad spectrum, these are our news which are to be read. These are the news which are to be skipped. So this is our general distribution of the Hindu newspaper page wise. So we will try to see which important pages we are supposed to read, which pages you are supposed to skip. Now just focus on the headlines, do not go into the minor points. Now this is the front page. Okay, now on the front page, news from different sections appear. Now we will find one news which might be a local news, another news which might be a national news, one international news related to the economy. So first page, front page is a scattered page where you can get news from any of them. Let us try to see the second pages. Now page number 2 and page number 3, these are the local news. So you can spot here Mumbai local. Okay, as we proceed ahead, page 4, okay, again Mumbai local, it is a local news. Then page 5, it is mentioned, see the top right corner, it is mentioned as West. So it is about the western region of India. Next page, North. Okay, so we have written here page 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the regional news, that is West, North, East and South, about the different regions. So West means states which are present in the western part of India. North means northern region of India, this way. Okay. Next, let us go to page number 9. So as you can see here, it is mentioned as nation. So this is our national news. So we have to read this national news. After that, most important, page number 10 and 11. As it is mentioned here, editorials. Okay. So editorials are very important from mains examination, that is UPSC mains exam, as well as for any interview. Suppose if you are going for the state PSC, MPSC interview or UPSC interview, so editorials are very important from that point of view. Next is the opinion page. So different people write their article over here. So again that makes sense or that gives us enough data. Next, page number 12 and 13, what we have mentioned here, page 12, page 13, again it is mentioned as news. Okay, so this has general news from the regional and national part. After that, when we go to page 14, here it is mentioned as world. So world means news related to international relations or global affairs. So of course we have to read this page. Next, page number 15, it is mentioned as business. So here comes the news related to the economy. So let it be the global economy or the Indian economy. Again an important page for us. Next is page number 16 and 17. As mentioned here, showcase. Page number 17, showcase again. Okay. So these pages are not much important for us because this is all about the reviews of different movies, different plays, different books, songs, etc. Next, page 18 and 19, news related to sports. Now, sports earlier used to be a very important area from exam point of view. So in prelims, you could expect at least 1 or 2 questions from the sports section. But if you see the trend for the last 5 years, none of the question has been asked from the sports section except a question which was asked in UPSC mains related to the issue of doping in sports. Okay. So even if you skip this page or do not waste much time in that, it is okay. You can cover the sports related tidbits from different current affairs magazines. And last comes page number 20. Again, this is a page of general news like the front page. Generally, it covers important issues. For example, here we see the issue of contract farming. So any issue which is in news related to economy, related to international relations, related to nation, national news, socio-political issues. So this will be covered on page 20. So this is decoding our The Hindu newspaper page wise. Now we will see which are important pages for us and which are the pages that we can skip. Okay, so what is the approach that we are going to follow? Let us try to understand. We will scan the entire newspaper every day. Now see, page 1, I'll just tick mark which are the most important pages for us where we have to scrutinize and go a little slow. First is the most important is page 1, front page, because we have seen that news from different sections, regional, national, economy, international relations appear on page 1. So page 1 हमें धीरे से पढ़ना है. We have to try to spot the news from current affairs. Okay. Then this pages, page 2, 3 and 4, not that important. That is why I am not picking them. Okay, regional news भी देखिए, ये आपको scan करना है. You have to scan the regional part also. Pick up the news as per importance. Okay, so do not waste much time in that. You can skip these pages unless you spot any extraordinary news. तो पहले आपको headlines पढ़ने हैं. Headlines पढ़ के आपको एक अंदाजा लगाना है. So you have to learn the art of filtering the data. Okay.
We have sent you the app download link. Also, it is mentioned in the description section given below. So stay connected with us, never miss an important lecture. You might never know which examination you clear and that might be a life-changing event for you. So kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press on the bell icon so that whenever we update or upload any important lecture, so you might get a notification for it. If you have appreciated our quality of coaching and efforts, do like our lectures. Share this video with your friends so that even they get benefited from it.